Think you're brave? These 5 haunted places in the U.S. might change your mind. 1. Eastern State Penitentiary, Pennsylvania. This abandoned prison is filled with cold cells and colder whispers. Some say the inmates never left. 2. The Stanley Hotel, Colorado. The hotel that inspired The Shining. Guests still report hearing piano music in an empty ballroom. 3. Waverly Hills Sanatorium, Kentucky. Once home to tuberculosis patients, now echoing with footsteps and screams at 3 a.m. 4. The Winchester Mystery House, California, built with staircases that lead to nowhere and spirits trapped in an endless maze. 5. The Myrtles Plantation, Louisiana. Over 10 ghosts reported here. Mirrors are covered to prevent spirits from escaping. Yeah, that kind of haunted. Would you dare spend a night alone in any of these places? Comment below if you're brave enough.